In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a Slack message. Whether you're planning ahead for a busy week or simply want to organize your communications more efficiently, scheduling messages on Slack can be a game changer. So let's dive right into it. First, we need to head over to the Slack website. Just open your preferred web browser and navigate to Slack's homepage. You can easily find it by typing Slack in your search engine or going directly to slack.com. Once you're there, look for the option to sign in. If you already have an account, click on Sign In with Google. This will take you directly to your workspace after you've selected your account. If you're not already logged in, just enter your credentials as you normally would. Next, you'll be greeted by your Slack dashboard. This is your central hub for all messages, channels, and direct communications. From here, decide which channel you wish to schedule a message for. Simply click on the desired channel's name in the sidebar on the left. If you're sending a message to a colleague or friend, you might need to navigate to their direct message space instead. Once you've selected the correct channel or person, it's time to compose your message. Click into the message input field at the bottom of your screen and write out your message just as you would if you were sending it immediately. Whether it's a quick note, a detailed update, or a checklist, make sure it's clear and ready to be sent. Now comes the exciting part, scheduling your message. Locate the small down arrow right next to the send button in your message box. This might be easy to miss if you're not looking for it, so make sure to take a second to spot it. Once you click on that arrow, you'll see an option that says schedule message. Go ahead and click on that. This opens up a new interface where you can choose the date and time you want your message to be sent. You can select from preset options or choose a custom time. This feature is particularly useful if you're working across time zones or want to send a reminder for a specific event. And that's all there is to it. By scheduling messages, you ensure that your communication is timely and organized. It's a simple yet powerful way to manage your workflow better, so go ahead and try scheduling a message on Slack and you'll see just how much it can streamline your daily tasks. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more productivity tips and tricks.